Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. We do suggest that whenever you're in your seat, you keep your seatbelt fastened over any clothing or blankets in case of any turbulence. For this reason, also laying or sleeping on the floor is not allowed at any time. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. And as a reminder, smoking is not allowed, and this does include the use of electronic cigarettes. Any electronic devices which are charging must be monitored at all times. You'll find some important information on the back page of your digital copy of the shop magazine, and we recommend that you read this. As a result of the outbreak of the virus COVID-19, the public health authorities recommend that everyone should ensure frequent hand washing with soap and water, the use of hand sanitizer prior to eating and drinking, and that everyone covers their nose and mouth when sneezing or coughing. Do limit the number of surfaces you touch to only which are necessary. Taken off, it is time to welcome you all on board this TUI flight to Dalaman. My name is Jessica, I'm your cabin manager. I'm joined by Becky at the front, and at the rear of the aeroplane we have Portia and Joshua. You'll find toilets at the front and back of the aeroplane. There are 2 toilets at the rear of the aircraft and 1 at the front. We do ask that when you are queuing for the toilets that you only queue in the aisle and not in the galley areas, as these are very busy working stations. We also request that only 2 passengers queue at any one time. There are also baby changing facilities provided. Do ask a member of the cabin crew for any information you need on these, and please put any hand towels or nappies in the bins provided. Do not try and flush them, as this can cause blockages. We'll be starting out in-flight service very soon with our cafe service, and we'll be giving you some more information about this very shortly. Please do bear in mind that just like a normal bar, only alcoholic drinks served by the cabin crew may be consumed on board, and in moderation only. This is for the safety of yourself and everybody on board, and we do thank you in advance for your understanding. That's all for now. Do sit back, relax and enjoy your flight and services that TUI has to offer. Just a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, we are a completely cashless airline now, therefore all payments today will need to be made via credit or debit card. We do accept most major credit and debit cards, and we do accept contactless payments in the form of Android and Apple Pay.